Paano? Start with the skill set. I always tell my professionals, do not chase money. Let money chase you. Pag meron kang magaling, hahanapin ka ng tao at kapag hindi mo nagawa o hindi mo tinanggap o offeran ka ng better o offeran ka ng higher, skill set, for example, ang dami naman taong merong skill set. No? Pero baka akala ng tao ang negosyo ay basta ganun na lang. Ay hindi, it all starts with the skill set. Magaling ka sa pagluluto, magaling ka sa pagsasalita, magaling ka sa pagkwekwento, magaling ka sa pagtatambling. Can you imagine? 100 million halos ang kinita ni Yulo sa pag-gymnast. Baka mag-gymnast na lang ako. So, it's passion. No? Your passion to do things, and that is not according to what people tell you. That is according to what you think, where you think you are good at.
Yes.
And that's how you follow it. It's not what you like, ha? Iba yung what you like and where you are good at.
Yes.